Hello, Facebook friends. This is Mr. Jacob Smith, owner of Master Carpet Cleaners, and today I have the privilege of being with Master Taft Beg, owner, illustrious owner of Magic Wand Company here in Broadway, New Jersey. How you feel today, Taft?
What's up?
All right. What you got going on today, man?
Nothing, your new rig.
All right, and what is this called now? With all this flames right here?
Heat.
The quick
Quick heat, yep.
Okay,
It's
and
hot quick.
it gets hot quick.
30 seconds.
In 30 seconds.
Boiling.
Boiling, okay.
Yep. And then you got your Air Hog with dual vacuums.
Yes, sir.
All hooked up, 1500 adjustable PSI.
All right. And right.
Anything truck mount can do.
Yes, sir. Anything a truck mount can do. So you don't need no air blowers after you finish a job, everybody. The carpet will be dried in an hour or less.
Depends how you use your wand, right?
Yes, sir. If you don't try to use the old-fashioned way of the shark tooth. Because, guys, when you do this...
Zigzag.
Yes, sir. The zigzag, as Tab put it.
Does not work.
It does not work. Because as you're doing this, you still left water there. It's constantly sinking. By the time you get over here,
Exactly.
you done soaked the customer's carpet.
That's right.